Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're back with another video, and this is gonna be part 3 of scamming kids and Animal Company. I got all of these amazing people here. I found them in the lobby, and he is one of my subscribers right here.
Yes.
And after this, you
what's
guys
your
must
channel
subscribe.
name? What's your channel name?
Chompy_flop. Chompy_flop.
I'm subscribed to you. I'm subscribed to you.
Okay, and he's also a subscriber. So
I'm subscribed to Chompy.
I'm chill.
like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Let's do this.
Oh yeah.
I don't have an account on YouTube.
Everyone charge your ray guns and hold it. You go find your item and go and trade. And no, bring them to this code. It's Chomp1.
Join channel 1, guys. Join channel 1.
It's Chomp1.
What
Chomp1.
Look, I don't have.
I was in Chomp. I was in
And bring him to this
Chompy,
code.
and then
Wait,
I
no, come
couldn't
here,
find
come here.
anyone.
And bring him to this code.
Look, guys.
And tell him to drop his item here. Drop his item here.
Yeah, I watched your video on part 2,
Okay,
so I know
go.
where to tell him to drop it.
Go, black.
I'll be back.
Okay. Remember to say hello once you join the code.
Yep.
It's Chomp.
I am
Where's
your
the
voice
ice
activated
box?
internal navigator.
Change your color to black if you want to be in the video, man.
Can I be the merchant?
Too
No.
late. The other guy. Okay, everyone go hide. Everyone go hide. Quickly. Everyone go hide.
I need to change my color.
Once the victim sees you, leave the code and come back in 5 minutes. The code is Chomp1. Also, once he says hello, everyone be quiet.
Yo, come up here. Over here.
What are you doing?
Okay. I thought it would work.
Find a hiding spot. I got the first item. No one gets the first item. I got the first item.
Alright.
I get the second
Okay.
item.
No, I got the shake.
Okay, guys, be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet.
Come out. It's only me.
Oh.
Somebody else has to do it. Everybody just wants to do giveaways.
I'll do it.
Bruh. Yeah, the person that's good at with merchants or whatever.
Me.
Okay,
Me.
you.
Okay, go
you.
for it.
Me.
Go for
Everybody
it.
only. Everybody only
Everyone
wants to do
hide.
giveaways.
Everyone stay hidden. Don't make a sound. Don't make a
Wait.
sound. And also, the person who's gonna be
I
trading,
have more than those.
the person
I'll see
the person who's gonna trade, say hello. So that
Hello.
everyone say no.
Hello.
No.
happened? What
Say
happened?
hello once you join the code.
Hello. Okay.
What happened? What happened?
Everyone hide.
Stole my ray gun, bro. Someone stole my ray gun.
Everybody
Just
join-
stay with the ray gun that you have right now.
Everybody join channel 1.
How do you especially go to channel 1?
I don't know, but stay quiet. Stay quiet, guys.
I have second item.
Guys, hide. Also, I got first item. No one takes the first item. I got it.
I have second item. Declare. Declare, where are you? Over here.
Yo, what's up? Claire. Claire, where are you? Hello, Claire. Go hide. Move. What? Hello? Get the fuck away. Hello. Alright. Alright, so here's the thing. We're gonna be trading, okay? We're trading, okay? Alright, so put your item right here. Drop your item right here. What are you doing? Yeah, my friends are at Haunted Mansion right now. My friends are at Haunted Mansion. Alright, just him. Alright, doesn't matter. He's talking to his parents. He's talking to his parents. Here. Bro, you suck at this. Here, just take it. Come here. Just take it. Just take it. Bro, y'all can go out. Just take it, bro. Go home. Get out.
Bro! Oh, did you get it?
Bro, just go. Get out. Just go.
What happened?
Thanks.
What happened?
What was this? I don't get it.
Oh, we did it!
Yeah, we did it! We got the item!
Claire, where are you?
My grand now. I
Claire,
passed
remember
him.
me?
I was like, oh my god.
Yeah, bro. Can you help me make
Let
one
me
more?
know, dude.
I'm
Can you give me a ring right now?
Dude, seriously,
Come
go.
on, so
Leave,
give me
leave,
a ring.
leave,
Bro, leave.
leave.
We want you to leave. We don't want you right now. Artistic, leave.
Dude, he's chill. He's
Everyone
chill.
get to the mirror
He was
right
chill.
now.
Nah, he's
or
chill.
come to the couch. Come to
I
the couch.
have M4 as a
Everyone
friend.
come to the
I have
couch
M4 as a friend.
if you're in the
Can I be
video.
the merchant?
Can I be a merchant?
M4 alone? I want to be the merchant. I'm like,
Who wants to be the
can you
merchant?
leave?
Who wants to be the
me,
merchant?
me.
Leave.
You be the merchant this
Cat,
time.
furry.
I'm gonna go change my color.
Once you say
Who wants this grappler?
say hello.
Who said I get the
No,
grappler?
no.
Yo,
Merchant,
here.
say banana once you join the code. Say banana once you
Here,
join the
bro.
code.
Here.
Huh?
Bro, here.
No, I don't need that. You could keep that. You could keep it.
Oh, here.
Hey, can I get the second item?
Yeah, I got I got the first item.
Here.
Okay. We can have this?
Did the merchant leave yet?
Guys, can someone give me grapple? Can someone give me grapple? I'm gonna be in deep hiding, okay? Guys, everybody, I'm gonna be deep hiding. But can I have that grapple?
Everyone hide. Turn your ray guns to red. I got first item.
I got third item.
Every black change your channel to one. Change your channel to one every black. Why didn't you friend him? Why didn't you friend him?
I just got someone, but I think they spelled it wrong. Everyone hide in a better spot, okay?
Alright, say banana once you join the code. So that everyone could stay quiet.
You can't see us, right?
I'm
Just go up a
pretty
little
sure
bit.
Is everybody on channel?
No. Yeah, I'm on channel 1. Yo, Black, are you on channel 1?
How do you get to channel 1?
Click your joystick that has the watch on.
Guys,
Just
stay
click
quiet.
it.
Yeah, I did it. I'm on channel 1.
Wait, let me see. See your watch?
Okay.
Yeah. Come down. Let's see your watch. Alright, you're good. Alright, you're up there?
Yeah.
No. Stay quiet.
Bro, when is he joining?
Stay quiet. Stay quiet.
It's taking forever.
Stop making footsteps.
Bro, I swear I'm gonna start seeing I see your shadows in my room.
Stop.
I see your shadows in my room.
No, actually, stay quiet. Stay quiet.
Yo, bro. Can I be with you? Black, can I be with you?
Yeah.
But he's gonna talk on. Okay.
We're ready. Merchant has arrived.
What's up? Yo, Goku, what's up? We gonna go trade? Come on, let's go trade. They're doing a lot of mansion run.
Yo, bro, I literally see the angry help.
Bro!
You bitches! Guys,
Bro! You can do obvious! You were too obvious! They're so bad! I'm sorry, they kinda suck.
Bro, you can see you're in a bad hiding spot. Abort! Some of the monkeys. You guys are so fucking stupid.
Like,
It
dang,
was their fault!
Man,
It was
but
their
you were
fault.
stupid. That's why you're going on that freaking cliff. Shut up. Look,
You
hey, man,
guys,
look,
bro, you guys gotta
Bro,
be quiet.
You're saying Nisha shut up, bro. I can literally see you as
You guys
meters away,
hide
bro.
like-
But I literally see your grandma's shadow in your room.
You need to
Buddy, are you
hide
out?
better.
Bro, I know, bro, Goku kid, I know you can't be talking. Are you singing to your grandma's grave and saying,
Okay, abort the
Shut
mission. Abort the
up.
mission. No scamming kids. We're gonna make we're gonna do a battle. Everyone fight. Hold fists
Bro,
only.
Goku, do you still want to
Hold
trade?
fists only.
Hold
fists
You still want to
only.
trade
I mean-
without scam?
Bro, this is a
They
PvP
only
disabled. It's PvP disabled.
Oh shoot!
Happy to merchant this time, guys.
Everyone join me. Everyone join
Bro, we're
me.
not
Everyone
scamming
join me. Everyone join
I
me.
don't have you as a friend.
Shut up.
You shut up, Can I be merchant? Guys, can I be merchant?
Where's the guy that got the suitcase?
Bah! As you can see, guys, that did not work out so well. I guess only me and Snipes should just do it.
Buddy, stop trying to flex. You're not cool.
Bro, I was just going to ask if I could be merchant.
We're not
Okay,
scamming. We're
everyone, Hulk fists only. We're gonna do a battle.
our bet. Okay. Yo,
Wait,
the
no,
one
you
that has
could
the
use
suitcase.
you could use any item, but then it cannot fire anything. Like melee.
Can I use this? Can I use this?
A
Can I
melee.
use this? Can I
No
use this?
explosives either. No explosives. And no flares.
Can I use this? Can I use this?
What? Well, yeah, you obviously could use a balloon.
No! Don't pop it!
Can I use this? Can I use this? Can I use this?
Don't do that!
Can I use this?
Fuck you.
Can I use this?
Yes, you could use grapplers.
Can I use this?
No,
That's a revolver. That will kill anyone.
I don't care!
instantly.
No, it can't shoot. It cannot shoot. It cannot shoot. It cannot shoot. No shooting weapons.
Dang it.
Oh shoot, I missed.
Back.
How am I missing? Oh my
You know
god,
what?
dude, I
I'm about to
definitely
send you
missed.
back where you came
There
from,
we go.
bro.
I'm still.
Oh shoot! Run! Run from the guy with the with the bats, bro. Dude, I'm so low. No. Oh my god, bro.
Come here, big boy. Come on.
We should do a lance fight.
Let's do this, then, boys.
We should do a lance fight.
Okay, guys, I got a challenge. Only
I
on
killed
the
him. I killed him.
It
I killed
gotta
him.
be
That's why
the, you can only touch the rocks on top of the lava. You can't touch the grass, no nothing. Only the rocks on the lava. And that's the only piece that you could kill.
That's crazy.
Oh,
It's gonna be hard. Huh.
and you must come back to the rocks on the lava. No!
Go and fight me. Come on, fight me.
Oh shoot.
Can I have my badge? I just want to take my badge.
Nope.
I just want my badge. So let me get my badge.
I'm stuck.
I'm gonna die.
Well,
I'm
that
stuck.
badge.
End your misery.
Ugh. Oh, I'm dead.
Have fun
No!
being covered.
Shopping.
Yo!
Hello.
Get over here! You killed our leader!
You guys better shut your mouths up.
Alright, no firing weapons. No firing weapons.
Aw, I don't want you to. Rocket launcher.
No!
Yo, who wants to do a story?
It's a bully story.
Bully story. Who wants to do a story?
Guys, you guys are all cooked.
Hey, no shooting that.
Aw.
Watch it. Chill.
Come here.
Uh-oh.
Babe, you took my badge! Yeah!
No!
Come here, little boy. Oh, shoot.
Next challenge. You can only be in the air. You cannot touch the ground. The only place that you could touch the ground is a safe zone.
What? Alright, bet.
Can people buy us hoverboard?
So first, I'm gonna need...
I'll give everyone grapplers and hoverboards.
Hoverboards?
I want a hoverboard.
I want a grappler.
No, a grappler. I need to get a grappler.
All right.
Myself. Okay, you can only be in the air now.
What?
Hard.
Only an air fight?
Yes, only air fight.
See if I have a hoverboard. They don't have a hoverboard.
You
Get
can
over here,
touch
boy.
the trees. Hey, no revolvers. No revolvers.
You buy me
No, I'm just that good.
Yo,
That I
can someone
need
buy
to-
me an umbrella? Can someone buy me an umbrella?
No, I can't
too
get
good.
this kid. Where'd you go? Where'd this kid go?
Oh, hell no, you gotta cook.
Oh, you touched the ground.
Revolver.
Come here.
Someone used a revolver and a use shooting weapon.
I killed him. I
Rocket launcher
Evil.
incoming, guys.
incoming.
Oh, you really want to use that type of weapons?
Yeah, Loki.
No.
Can you use these weapons now? Yeah, you guys are cool. You guys work it. Ow.
You stuck strike pose when I.
Oh shoot.
Those ones got obliterated.
Yo, can someone give me RPG? If you do, then I'll do anything. No. Buddy, how about this? You bailed out like a good boy.
No.
Yo, can you give me RPG ammo? There's somebody up there. There's somebody up there.
No one's up here.
Kill Red Watch 2. Darn! Bro survived.
Buy me one more ammo. I promise I'll cook them for you.
No. Where are you guys?
Bro, your RPG.
No.
Can I open RPG
I'm
ammo?
going after the soul.
Wait, bro, when
Yo,
is this
can I have
video
an
being
RPG back,
released?
bro?
I don't know. Whenever this video ends.
Yo, can you at least buy me an RPG by any chance, bro?
Hey, come here, come here. Come here. The guy with the RPG, come here. I gotta give you something rare. Let me give you something rare.
Really?
Yeah.
Fight me.
What is it?
Just come here.
Okay. I'm right here.
Yo, can
Can I
I
have
have
an
an
RPG back, Block?
Come here. Can you come here? Alright. Have you ever seen this umbrella? Can you
No,
come
I
close
haven't.
so I can give it to you?
Okay.
Closer. That's stupid. You ain't getting this. Sorry, buddy. And that's why you don't take people's. What?
Yes.
Yo, who lost their RPG?
I still have it.
I did.
Buddy. Oh yeah, I have a small. Not this one.
Wait, who had the RPG again?
Wait, can I have like tiny umbrella? Can I have a tiny umbrella?
Oh, you lucky.
You have to.
I'm smart.
No, I need apples.
Me too.
You come here.
I do.
Guys, I can make infinite talkies.
Hi.
Yo, can I have a talkie?
Come.
Have a talkie?
No.
Guys, what type of flashlight is this?
Talkies!
Whoever,
Let me get my bag out real quick.
whoever could guess what type of flashlight this is wins. I mean, gets it.
Have it.
Red flashlight. Red flashlight. That's a red
Who
flashlight.
said
Sadly,
that?
guys,
said
that's gonna be it for the
Me,
video.
red
Yo!
flashlight.
Hope you enjoyed.
Yes, sir.
Take it.
Thank you to
Take it.
all of these
Come on.
amazing people. Shout out to them.
Come on.
And yeah,
Yes.
hope you enjoyed it. Part 4 coming soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.